Hey guys, this is Skip from Phil Sports. I want to do a quick tutorial on Affinity Designer and how I do how I design my cornhole boards. It's actually pretty quick. I created a template here, and you can see it. It's got borders, it's got flags, it's got my logo in it, it's got the hole exactly where you want it. The dimensions on this board is 23.75 by 47.75 inches. The hole is exactly placed where I need it. I've got different size holes if I wanted a border around it. And here what I'm going to do is I'm just kind of going through the layers, and I'm going to take off some things so that just kind of clean it up. I kind of do this almost on every board. I should change my template so I don't have to do it every time, but it doesn't matter if the customer is ordering something with a border or if they want a flag. This template makes it very easy, so I'm not doing repetitive artwork over and over and over. I can just get down to brass tacks and make the design for them. So here I'm going to turn off some borders. We're going to do a flag here real quick. And we're going to change the background color just to like a Baltic birch piece of plywood that I have in there, just for aesthetics. You can see here the dimensions. On the color, I just have it set to like RGB 8. Some people are telling me I should change it to CMYK, but I don't know. I just haven't. I'm too lazy. Let me know in the comments if there's a reason why I should. So anyway, that's basically the board. So we'll go into the templates now, and we'll start turning on some flags. And the first thing that I'll do is I'll turn on a thin blue line flag, and I'll show you how quick it is if they want the stars on the left side versus the right. So you click on it, and then up here at the top there's a flip horizontal, and it's just that fast. I'll turn off the blue thin line on this, and maybe I want it to be like a Java and Georgian cherry flag, so I can turn that one on as well. It's all ready to go. Obviously I still have the border around the hole. I haven't taken that off yet. I would on a flag board, but here I'm just going to grab it in SVG. I'm going to grab Cocapelli. That one looks good. Copy it, paste it onto the board. I like putting him on top of everything else. And I can stretch it. If I hold shift, it'll bounce into the correct proportion. If I don't hit shift, it gets skewed, if you will. So that's a good enough size there. He's kind of positioned there in a little way. I'm going to add a stroke to him, and then I'm going to change it so it's outside the black. It's not overlaying any of the black, it's on the outside. And I'm just going to adjust this how I think it looks best. You know, your preference will be your preference. But what I'm going to do is once I get it nice and built like that, I'm actually going to expand the stroke by going up to layer and expand stroke here in a second. And what you'll see is you'll see another layer pop up over there on the right. And that layer will be white. And then now this is just curves. This is just all by itself. I can add another stroke to this if I wanted to, and I can make it go outside. And then because these are layers, I can actually move that black layer on top. And watch what happens when I do that. It kind of changes the image a little bit more. So you can get real creative. Just a quick one. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. Let me know in the comments if you have questions.